So that one is, I think, easy to answer, which is curiosity. So I'm always curious. I want to learn new things. And we're really lucky as researchers that we are allowed to be driven by curiosity and exploration. And that, we're not, doing the same thing, I think, or doing routine work, but we're pushing frontiers and learning new things all the time. And I think that's a great place to be.
I think that I really hope that machine learning is increasingly moving towards supporting and augmenting decision making of humans. This is true in my own research area, healthcare, where clearly machine learning can contribute not by replacing clinicians and doctors and medical personnel, but rather augmenting their decisions. But I think that for that, we really are at the beginning of a new era in machine learning, where we try to really understand how people make decisions, what motivates their decisions, and try to both debug their decision making as well as assist them to make better decisions. And related to that also, I feel that machine learning in education and healthcare are good areas not only to apply machine learning, but to drive new innovation in machine learning.
I guess it was probably my first MLSS back in 2007. I was giving a tutorial on dirichlet processes in Tübingen. I think it was the MLSS. It was a small community back then. So everybody kind of knows everybody, so it was kind of nice to hang out with everybody. And you have to do it in person, so we're all there and we're all hanging out with each other all the time, so that was fun.
This one. I just started.
Okay. So I've enjoyed many MLSS over the years, and more than, I think, there was one in 2007 I was involved in organizing, and that was really wonderful in Tübingen. So I'm really enjoying the virtual MLSS that you're now producing. I would say, looking back though, that one of the greatest things that I got out of the MLSS is, in the years that follow, meeting people who've been at the MLSS with me, and seeing them at conferences, seeing the research that they're doing, and you have a team, and you're sort of seeing how people develop over the years, catching up with them. And so that's something that you'll have for the rest of your life. And for me, that's the biggest and best thing that you get from the MLSS in the long term.